Hey there, my name is Ryan and welcome to my YouTube channel, DIVI Geek. I'm a freelance WordPress developer and somewhat of a designer. If you're interested in the DIVI page builder, building a website for your business or brand, or becoming a WordPress freelancer, then this channel is for you. If you've never built a website before, you may think it's difficult, but in my videos, I want to show you that anyone can build their own website. Now don't get me wrong. If you want a well-designed website with some special functionality, you will need to hire a pro designer and developer. But if you just want a well-structured website that showcases your services or products, looks professional, and has some basic functionality, then I'm going to show you how to do just that. All my videos are made for the beginner in mind, and I try not to involve any coding, but sometimes it can't be avoided. But don't let that scare you off. I try my best to make the whole process of building a website as simple as possible. My plan for this channel is to build websites in different industries where you can follow along and build your website. If you want me to build a website in a certain industry, or maybe a similar website to one you've seen, you can leave a comment in one of my videos or send me an email to my email address, which you'll find in the description of my videos. I promise to read all comments and emails. I look forward to building a website with you.